Welcome, everyone, to Global Markets Radio Week Ahead Show. YouTube, first of the new year. Happy New Year to everyone. Best to everyone's family and friends and loved ones. Hopefully, you had a fun, safe time, baby. Ready to rock and roll for a good new year. Nothing really major of importance happened. It is January the 2nd, 2011. I can't believe we made it. One more year, people. Oh, baby. But certainly the dollar taking on the chin on Friday. Thin market trading, I really don't believe it. But certainly when you look at some of the Fibonacci's and the reversals on the weekly charts we're looking at right now, you see that we certainly broke some pretty big support on Friday. Even though it was light volume, it doesn't really make a difference. I think we're probably going lower in dollar index or the Dixie. And I would imagine we probably reverse either tonight or Tuesday. But I do believe 78 will hold, if not 78.50, 78.60 zone. I do think we're in an uptrend channel. And I think at some point we head back up, 87, 88 level. But again, looking at all these charts, when you look at this dollar index, certainly at the bottom, bad close, not happy. Certainly it seems like a clear line to 78. No real support. Month and a half low, closing below this big candle here. So I would imagine we're probably going to get some dollar weakness going to the beginning of the year. Beginning of the year. S&P 500, we'll take a look. What's it going to do? Probably going to be up. Nothing major happened over the weekend. No major terrorist attack. We did get nothing out of Germany. I was looking for something out of Germany regarding the plan. The only thing really happened is I lost my voice again. Got to stop smoking. But in looking at the S&P 500, it's going higher. No matter how you want to slice it and dice it. I mean, we have to go to the monthly because I can't zoom out. It looks very good. It looks like 1,300. We got nothing to stop us. I see a little resistance at 1275 on the shorter term chart, but once again, like I said on Friday, the S&P is through major Fibonacci levels. This is big. You don't want to fight this. The only time you want to fight is we come back down under support. So under 1230. That really isn't even a level. I got 1222. Yeah, you might want to get ahead of it, obviously, but still, S&P could pull back all the way back to here, 1230, and it would still be bullish. You really need to see this head and shoulders build up, and an exhaustion rally where we're up big, and by the end of the day, we're down. And I think, listen, it could happen the first couple of days. Absolutely. New money comes into the market, pushes the S&P higher. People that know that don't want to sell. And the first day or two, we get a little bit of more of a pop. Hey, to get 25 handles higher is certainly easy. 50, that's a little different, but we'll see. But again, look at the oil chart here. It's broken out. It's gone. It's a buy on pullback. Unless there's a monthly chart. But again, 2 weeklies. It's bullish. Again, unless we close under 87.50, it's still bullish. Gold. Gone like the wind. Gold, in my opinion. Oh, not that one. Damn it. That. Gold, it's going up. To the moon. 1240. Next stop, easy. Through 1240, we're talking about 1460. I'm sorry, 1440, and then we're going to 1460, and then we're just blowing away every measure you move. Stochastics start getting stretched, the whole thing. Oh, baby. But we do have non-farm payroll coming out of the U.S. this week. We do have a ton of U.S. data coming out as well, besides non-farm payroll. Beginning of the week, we pretty much have holidays. U.S. ISM on Monday gets things rolling. Couple low numbers, but really the big numbers coming out are towards the end of the week. German factory orders on Thursday. Unemployment numbers, Canadian PMI, that's a big one. And then, of course, U.S. unemployment data, which should be good. Should be good. Canadian number should be good. So we'll see. I'll tell you that Canadian Ivy, really, I love this dollar Canada. We'll get to it in a second. But once again, this dollar index, it should break low, but I think it would hold 78. Looking at the euro-dollar pair. It's not saving my stuff. I had everything all lined up, all my stuff. What a joke. I guess I should have changed the monthly. All right. Weekly chart. Euro-dollar could pop all the way up here. Easy. But we do have our trustworthy Fibonacci levels. And when you look at these Fibos, this is a big level, 135. We tried to pierce it once before, and we came right back. But through 135, it's going to be big. And I got, listen, that's going to be like 78.50, 70, 78 on the dollar index. So we punched through there. Hey, we could easily get up to 136. That's about 220 pips from here. And then, of course, the 200-day moving average at 137.70 is another big spot. I think we close above 135. We're going up to this 137.70 level. Easy. I don't know that we're going to close above 135. That is where, we as traders have to make that decision. I'm fading it. I don't buy it. I might get stopped out, taking out today's highs. Well, yeah, Friday's, 34.14. I'll get back in at 35, but I'm not going long. I'd rather be long euro yen, which I am long over the weekend. I'm short euro dollar. Pretty much long dollar yen, so that's not good. I'm looking for a gap up to get out. Dollar yen looks like death. Terrible. This whole 85 level is huge. Measure the move, 80, 85. We take out 80, say hello to 75, say hello to intervention to start the year off, baby. Now, could we double bottom and hit 80 and then come right back? Absolutely. Turn around Tuesday. Never know. But it might not happen until Friday. Sterling dollar with their good numbers that came out. 160 is a big spot. Although I got a nice little downtrend channel line here. It's a little bit higher. Lower, sorry. 158. But in my opinion, cable is not going anywhere. Cable would have to close above this whole 163. Really 160. It breaks it through 160. We close above 160. It's going to make a run. We might even be talking about 165, meeting up the 200-day moving average. So we'll see. And listen, the numbers out of London were good. They're talking about raising rates. If we do get follow-through, this baby looks good. Nice little reversal. Dollar index closing week. I'd rather be long this than long the euro-dollar pair. That's for sure. But again, I'm long sterling yen and euro yen against these shorts. So, dollar yen maybe it comes in a little, but I think we're bottoming out. But this sterling dollar definitely looks like it could be a long. Any close below Friday's lows, and again, this was an outside week candle, right? So anything closing below 53.50, look out below. But I would imagine we do get follow through. There's a nice looking candle on cable outside, at least getting up to 57.50. Dollar Swiss, oh baby, looks like death. Hopefully some of you did not try and pick that bottom. Baby, this is going lower. Measure the move. 95 to 100, taking out the lows. Say low to 90, easy. It's a short. Don't try and bottom fish it, at least until 90. Maybe this is the week. I could easily see this being the week, the reversal in dollar Swiss. Absolutely, but make sure you have enough buying power to handle 90 because it looks like it's going there. Aussie dollar is gone like the wind. Another one. Measure the move. We got to 102? Almost. We got to 95.50. Let's say 700 pips. 109. Say hello to my little friend. Certainly 105. Easy. I mean, this baby is gone. Taking out all sorts of resistance on Friday. This is a buy. It is a buy. And I'll tell you, we're going to look at some of the yens also. And we take a look at some of the yens. Those are going to look very interesting. Dollar Canada, I love it. I went home short over the weekend with it. Look at that. That is one gorgeous looking low. That's a multi-year low, people. It's got to crack. That's it. Toast. Oh, baby. Start the year good. Hey, listen. Look at last year. It made a little bit move, right? But look at the volatility the year before. Some nice volatility. This baby hasn't even gone anywhere. Much as 500 pips. 500 pips was nothing back here. I know it was 2008, but still. The volatility is, I like Canadian volatility. It's not a good play by here, but it's coming. And I think Friday's close, while again, thin volume, I still like it. New Zealand held the channel lines, held the whole uptrend channel line. You can make a case easy. Goldman, 88 price target on it. I think the Kiwi's ready to rock and roll. I love Aussie Kiwi short. Any pullback on this one, it's got to be long. Any pullback. Hopefully it gaps down. Euro sterling, boy, I'm giving you a bunch. Now remember, that was it. Those of you who did not take advantage of my 1-year deal, that offer expires Friday. There are a couple of you that emailed me about taking advantage of it. I will honor that. But after tomorrow, no. No soup for you. Again, globalmarketsradio.com. That's my main website, people. Sign up on my fan page. Voice of Forex on Facebook. Twitter, Voice of Forex. And, of course, YouTube, Voice of Forex. Oh, baby. Euro sterling is going to be one hell of a year. I have a feeling. I got a feeling. Oh, baby. Come to Papa. I lost my voice again. Euro sterling looks like it's going up a little bit. But I still think it's going to reverse. I do not think we're going to take out this fib to the upside from the high. You can do it wherever you want to. Maybe from this level here. I do not think Euro sterling is going to take out any of these levels. This whole downtrend channel line is not going to be breached. And notice that's right around our Fibonacci level, maybe a couple of weeks. But it's not going to take out 90. Any strength to be sold. If this gets going where London really is going to raise rates, if their economy improves, that's pretty significant. So interest rates do matter. Interest rate differentials do matter. I think U.S. numbers are going to be good. I think Canadian numbers are going to be good. I think the stock market's going to sell off, though, on a strong U.S. payroll number, especially if we rally into it. If the stock market rallies into this non-farm payroll Friday, and again, I haven't been doing YouTube, so maybe I won't do one. You never know. Sell everything. I mean, back the truck up and sell. If they rally this market into that non-farm payroll, it is the mother lode of selling events. S-O-N. Sell on news. Oh, baby. Euro yen. Looks like a nice bottom. I like it. I'm long it. I'm short Euro dollar, though. We might get back down to 105. This looks terrible again. I'm just looking for a trade here. I'm going to look to get out at 110. These look terrible. Downtrend channel line. No, I don't want that. Downtrend channel lines. We haven't broken anything. 10, 20, 30 exponential hasn't broken anything. This 115 level is huge. It's not going to break that. We might pop up, get around 112, 111.50. But I think at the end of the day, this baby is going to roll over like the yen. And if we take out the lows of 105, 105.50, we're talking about 95 here in the yens, people. Euro yen, 95. Holy crap. Another one, sterling yen. You take a look at this. I'm long it, but I'm scared to death of it. This baby is on the precipice of collapsing. And again, those monthly charts are huge. And the weekly. But this is a big candle. Did we hold a little bit? Yeah, you can make a case that we held a little bit of a doji. And I think we might start off the year strong. But you know what? They're going to roll over. Absolutely. And this Aussie yen, another one, on the precipice of a big-time breakout. I mean, look at this thing. Oh, baby. Gartman's low on this one. Oh, gee. Gartman, $400 a month. Andrew Service, $200. And I give you the 1-year deal, which is even less than $100. You crazy? Big year, people. Big year. S&P prediction, 1,000. I think they break it out to break it down, and we reverse the week. My prediction is the S&P 500 is going to basically break 1,000. Gold's going to explode, and then we're going to have the mother load of sell-offs. Gold might go to 1,550, maybe even 1,600, and then collapse. S&P, 1,300, and then collapse. I think copper is the best short on the board. Some certain stocks I love also on the downside. Priceline, absolutely. Netflix, love it on the short side. Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio. The only voice you will ever need who loves to make you money. Have a good year, people.